Hello trader. In this video I will share a free expert advisor with you. Check the description link to get the download link. Make sure you don't skip the video, because there will be a password to extract the downloaded file. Here I will try the latest expert advisor Backtest. This expert advisor is called Innovative VA. Trial of expert advisors using the latest trading data from tickstories. Backtest using tickstory from August 11, 2021, August 11, 2022. With a 99% backtest quality, I got a backtest result with a profit of $7,798 in 1 year with a capital of $4,000. Profit factor 15.46 and drawdown 9.31%. For more details, watch the video until it's finished and don't skip it. Video content: 1. Backtest preset default. 2. Backtest custom. 3. Result backtest preset default and backtest custom. 4. How to install Innovative Expert Advisor on a VPS. 5. Investor login information. One. Backtest default presets. The data I have downloaded from tickstory until August 2022. This is a recommended pair for Innovative VA. I use a standard account from Exness. Let's try the first backtest with the default presets. Okay, the expert advisor starts running on August 11, 2021. Please pay attention to this expert advisor running. The default preset backtest produces the following information: $1,146 profit. Total trading in 1 year 146 transactions. This means that this expert advisor rarely opens positions. Drawdown only 5.79%. And consecutive wins 33 transactions. With 91% profit trading. 2. Backtest Custom. Here I will change the preset settings as follows: trading type, adaptive; order type, limit only; risk management, N9T. Please pay attention to this expert advisor running. The custom preset backtest produces the following information: $7,798 profit. Total trading in 1 year 80 transactions. This means that this expert advisor rarely opens positions. Drawdown 9.31%. And consecutive wins 35 transactions. With 95% trading profit. 3. Result Backtest Preset Default and Backtest Custom. Please compare your own expert advisor test results from the two presets. You can adjust it according to your trading style. The first preset with a small drawdown but a hefty profit result. The second preset with a slightly larger drawdown with a bigger profit result, of course. 4. How to install Innovative EA on a VPS. Copy the DLL file in the Innovative Expert Advisor file. Paste it where you installed MetaTrader. Create a terminal shortcut, then edit the path. And add /portable at the end of the path. Move the Innovative EA file into the MQL/expert folder. Run accept shortcut. Make sure auto trading is running. In the Expert Advisor menu, make sure it is checked here. Then open the pair that will be run. I will run a couple of pairs. There are several additional settings to run this Expert Advisor. Please pay attention. Trading type, adaptive. Order type, limit only risk management, N9T currency pairs match the pairs at your broker. In Exness broker there is a suffix M. So I will enter AUDCAD. Auto GMT, false. GMT offset, adjust to your broker's time. In Exness using GMT3. Do the same settings on the other rays. Check again in the Expert tab whether there are still errors or not. Five. Investor login information. You can monitor this expert advisor running with the following data. You can also check the description link. If this video is useful for you, please support this channel by clicking subscribe and like. Also give your opinion in the comments column. And don't forget to click the bell so you always get information every time I upload a video. Also watch other videos about expert advisors. Thank you for watching.